welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to make a point. Some people call it strong back, some people call it stamina. So I'm going to show you the main ingredients people using them strong back. So you have oats, you have Quaker oats, any oats will do. You have suppagen, you have the condensed milk, and the Guinness, and of course peanuts. Can't live without that. And yeah, of course we have some vanilla, some London egg, and some cinnamon. But today I'm going to add some other ingredients in mine because I love to do it that way. So I'm going to put banana added to it, Irish mash, and Jamaican stout. So those are what's gonna add to it. Try it, people. Yeah, come back and tell me say it buzzy. Yeah. So first, I have the peanut. I'm gonna add some in there. Back that. The Guinness. And that. I'm gonna add some in there. Leave back a little. So if you know you can't drink the milk like the suppagen and the condensed milk, if you're lactose, then you can use almond milk or soy milk. You also can add a little water to that if you want. And if you don't do alcohol, you can put Malta instead of the Guinness or the Jamaican. They had some oats. I got the oats. Then I'm going to add the ripe banana. And I'm going to add the nutmeg egg in there. Just a little, not a lot. And just a little bit of cinnamon. Cover that. Then I'm going to blend it. Blend out a little, so we're going to add the Irish mash in there now. blend that out.
A few moments later.
So I like to blend it until it becomes smooth. See that, guys? So I have my bowl. I'm gonna add it in the bowl. Very nice, very smooth. So you want everything out. So use a spoon and take everything out, like so. Nice. On that, unless I gotta add some more. Finish the guineas in it. I have the super gin. I'm gonna add it in it. Finish that in that. Let's mix everything in. Look on that, guys. Look on that, my people. Yep. Try it that way. Just drop one banana at night and put an Irish mash with some jagan in it. I may tell you now. When I will come back and say, Shanna, that wicked. Some vanilla. Alright. And you can taste it and see if anything want to add to it. If you want a little more vanilla in it or anything like that. Some people tip a little salt in it. Normally tip, you can tip salt in it, yeah. But I normally put it in mine. The milk. Pour some in there. Alright, because I don't want it too sweet now, people. That will work. And just mix everything. Still have some more jagan left. May I taste it and see if I want to put the rest in it. Look on that. So people eat them for water, and if you're not too thick, you see that? Just right. Just right. So I'm gonna taste it. Wow, this bad. Wish me could have dipped the spoon again, but you know, can't do that. Get another spoon, but that's okay. I'm gonna drink some after. I'll tip a little bit in that, and that's good. You can tip a little rum in it if you want to, but I'm not gonna tip no rum in mine. You can put a little rum in it. But see there, Lovely, just right. You know, I'm not no more in that bad. So see there, Shanna strong back. Our Shanna punch. See the people. That bad. So that's the finishing touch, people. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see how I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.